Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from How to Fix Online. In this video, we will be learning how you can fix Admiral Market's application not working on your Android device. The Admiral Market's application might not be working on your Android device for a few reasons. So here are some common causes and solutions to get it up and running again. The main causes that might be leading this problem are internet connection, outdated app cache, device compatibility, and temporary server issues. No matter what the causes are, here you can fix the problem in just a couple of steps. The first thing you can do is to check for your internet connection. Ensure you have a stable internet connection, and once you have, open your Google Play Store and search for Admiral Markets in the search box. Once you find this application, check if there is an update button available. If there is, tap on Update to fix bugs and temporary compatibility issue on your application. Once you have the latest version, the next thing you can do is to clear the app cache. Open up the Settings app from your Android device's app drawer, and then from the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Apps. From the app list, look for Admiral's app and tap on Storage. From the bottom of the screen, tap both Clear Cache and Clear Data buttons. Once you do that, open up your Admiral Markets application from your app drawer and try logging into your account again. After you do that, you might be able to fix the issue. If the problem still continues, you can consider deleting and reinstalling the app from your Google Play Store. So those were some of the fixes you could follow if you're going through the Admiral Markets application malfunctioning issue on your Android phone. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.